Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're in the 66th problem of LeetCode called +1. The difficulty is easy. Okay, so the question asks that you are given a large integer represented as an integer array of digits, where each digit of I is the ith integer of the digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant and left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Okay, so then you're gonna have an array of numbers. So, okay, so say you can have your array here. So you can have 1, 2, 3, right? So then this means 123. Okay, it's just you have to get rid of the columns and the space, and you'll get the number. So say if you have 4, 3, 8. Okay, then you would have 438. So that would be your number. Okay, and then the ith spot is your ith place, right? That's your digit. Okay, and then increment the large number by 1 and return there's a thing. Okay, so you gotta just add 1, right? Because this question says just add 1. So like if you have 4, 5, 6, right? Then you would add 1. So you turn this into 7. Okay. So we're gonna go through example. So example of 1, 2, 3, which means 123, right? And then you add 1, so you got 124. Okay, but you have to return it as an array. Okay, so next one, you have 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna have 4,321, and if you're gonna add 1, you're gonna have 4,322, and you're gonna output as an array. Okay, and then for number 3, you're gonna have 0. You're just gonna add 1, which is 1. Okay, simple enough. And then for example 4, if you're gonna have 9 and you add 1, right, it's gonna be 10. So you can't just write 0, 10 or something, because you only have 1 digit in each place, right? So you have to move this 1 to the front. Okay, so we're gonna get we're gonna get last index, and then we're gonna find a number, and we're gonna find in the list, and then we're gonna try to add 1. If it's over, we'll just add 1 to the next digit to the left. So we're gonna do int last index, okay, equals to digits dot length minus 1. Okay, and then we do int num, so it's a number, right? Okay, and then digits. Okay, so digits are a list, right? So we're gonna have last index minus num. So numbers are 0 right now. Okay, and then you can do 1. And then while num is less than last index. Okay, and then and digits last index minus num. Okay, and then equal to 10. So I have both equations to continue. Digits last index minus num. Okay, and then you have to equal to 0. And then digits last index minus number. You got minus 1 more because it's your next one, right? Has to plus equal 1. Okay, and then you're gonna get num plus plus. You can keep moving on. Okay, and then once you reach the end, okay, you use digits like your last one, okay, equals to 10. Then you do int and you create like array, right? So you create a new array. So new int digits dot length. We're gonna add 1, right? So then we can have one more space for 1 extra. So array of 0, which is the first index, equals to 1, because that moves to the next. It's always 1. So return array, and then we can return digits outside. Fine. Oh, return wrong. This is correct, and I use all 4 sample test cases. I'm gonna submit it. The runtime is 0 milliseconds. Okay, so what this code does is that you're gonna get your last index, and then your num is just gonna be your place value. Okay, and then your digits. This is gonna be your other last. So like the 1 digit to the left of the last index. Okay, and then this while just tells you if this is true, then you just go through all of them. So then this is the second last. So this is 10th place, first place, and then you're gonna keep adding, so you can keep moving on, and then you keep going on until you reach the end. And if it reaches 10, then you just like move one next to it, because if you, over here, instead of just putting 10 here, you just move one over to 1, comma 0. Okay, so that's what here does, and then you just return digits. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Goodbye.